Good morning. It's rainy and cold in Texas. That's not very usual. If you remember, like the car is missing the passenger side door trim. So I got a new one or used one off of eBay, and I'm going to show you how to get it on. That's the original one here. You can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's in pretty rough shape. I'm not quite sure what happened to it, honestly. But anyway, so in the front of the door, it's like fixing with like just a kind of like a snap-on fitting. This is actually from a different car, but it fits. And then on the back, there's a bolt. So this is like been torn off from the old one. I'll have to remove the door card to get it from the inside. This is a used door molding. Bought it off of eBay, pretty good condition. It has a couple of nicks. You can see this one is the biggest one. I've started sanding it. A couple of other ones. Going to use some sandable primer to try to get it off. Important thing when you paint is you want to have a good temperature, so I'm doing that in my kitchen, I guess. Had some of the primer on it, let it dry, sand it, and I'm going to go again. And this one is it's pretty deep, so it's a little bit hard to fill it with to fill it with like primer. We're gonna see. Always check it well, okay? Looks like we are done with the primer. Little nick we had here is like, no, I think it's going to be gone. You can't feel it when you touch it. And by the way, I get my pen supplies from Automotive Touch-up, and you'll see here ordered some color matched paint, which should be this guy. You can see base coat color. We're gonna see how well the color match is. I've used them in the past with very good success on both my 911, on the Touareg as well, so we'll see. Let's use it now and see how well it does. Here's the first coat, a very light coat. Looks like the red is going to be a nice match. Lot of metallic, should be good. So we'll put probably, so this is like a very light coat to start, probably like 3 coats of base coat, a little bit like heavier coats, and then probably like a couple of coat of clear coat. You want to be careful since this is like basically a rubber piece and very flexible. Too much paint and it's going to crack actually, so don't want to put like too much paint on it. So now we have the base coat is finished. I've put a little bit more layers than what I was planning, maybe 5 coats. I'm gonna start the clear coat, also from Automotive Touch-up. So very good result. I've had a very good result with them in the past. The clear coat is always a little bit harder to put on and avoid basically like avoid the clear coat running, so gotta be careful. Okay, so that's the old one versus the one just painted. Definitely like a nice difference. We're gonna see about the color match. Double-sided tape all along, and we're gonna install it on the car now. And here is the finished product. So we're maybe like half a shade lighter on the color matching, but like not bad at all. I think just the way the light hits it makes it a little bit worse. I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy with that. Good.